Today was great because, you know, it's not often that you get to go out and work outside in beautiful weather. The weather's just starting to turn awesome here in Rhode Island. And so, yeah, today we got to go out into this field in southern Rhode Island and build some birdhouses. It's really awesome. At AAA, as an employee, we get 40 hours of volunteer time off, and it just allows us to work with really awesome partners, and you know, there's interesting opportunities to give back to the community.
We first started with digging a hole, and once we got the hole dug, we installed the birdhouse to the posts and put the post in the ground, and made sure we tampered the soil around the pole to keep it upright, and moved on to the next one.
I think the hardest part of today was digging the holes and really making sure that we got all the way in there, but luckily I wasn't here by myself and I had my team, and we all really worked together to get our posts in.
I think my favorite thing about today was, of course, working with some of my teammates, but I think once we were finished, looking back out onto the field and seeing the 4 completed bird boxes that we posted, I think was the best part of my day.
Nice.